Good day mga teachers, what's up? And I'm back again. This is teacher Justin, and today we're going to discuss and I'm going to teach you how to use your Instagram stories for your online teaching. Ayan. So, first thing that we need to do is to go to our Instagram. Ayan. So, our Instagram. Now, we're going to our stories. Ayan. So, nakita nyo, hello, what's up? So, first thing that we need to do is yan, go to our Instagram, go to our story or my day. Ayan. Tapos, we're going to go to create. So, very important dito is to create our own template. So, gumawa kayo ng template. You can be creative. Pwedeng simple lang. So, ako, gumawa na ako ng template. Ayan. So, ito. For example, this one. Geometry quiz. How well do you know your basic geometry? Ayan. Tapos, after that, okay, now, pwedeng isend to stories ko na yan. Okay, I can click this. Your story. Okay. Ayan. Tapos, you're going to proceed to your stories ulit. Ayan. And then after that, pasok nyo ulit yung template nyo. Tapos, you go to this button over here. Ayan. Ito, yung may smiley face. Tapos, hanapin nyo yung quiz. Ayan. Tapos, you can type your question. Ayan. So, who is the father of geometry. Ayan. Tapos, you can type kung sino. First, let's say, Taglish. Ayan. Taglish. Ayan. Pythagoras. Ayan. Euclid. And Euler. Ayan. So, syempre, ang tamang sagot dito is si Euclid. Lagyan natin ng check. Okay, lalagyan natin ng check si Euclid. Ayan. Tapos, resize natin. Ayan. So, dito, okay, after that, send it to your stories. Ayan. Okay. Then, after that, tapos, gawa kayo ulit ng panibago. So, what we did, ayan, gumawa kami ni Papa ng trial nung nalaman ko to sa Instagram, nung nagsa-search ako. And we tried. Me and my dad tried this, and what we did after gathering questions about facts about COVID-19, ayan, gumawa na agad kami ng template, tapos gumawa kami ng mga choices. Now the question is, how many choices are there, or how many choices can we make? So merong 4 choices na available or pwedeng ilagay doon. You will not put all your question in one story. One question per story lang para hindi naman ma-overwhelm yung mga titingin ng stories mo. What you need to do is just use your template, add question, tapos story. Then, next template, question, next story. So, better if you have your template already, and better if you have your questions already. Also, sa mga questions na ilalagay nyo dun sa stories nyo, you can make it shorter. And yung choices din shorter din sana. Kasi if you're going to type or have a long question, tandaan nyo, stories is 1 second to 15 seconds. Ayan. After setting everything, just wait and see kung sino yung mga magsasagot, sino yung magte-take ng mga tests at challenges. As the creator of that story, you can check, okay, see whether they are answering it, kung sino mga nakasagot na, kung ano yung sagot nila, kung ilan yung nakatamang sagot, ilan yung nagsagot ng mali, ano yung mga scores nila or possible scores nila. Ayan. So, this next video, papakita namin kung ano yung itsura niya if you're going to check, or if you're the creator and you're going to check kung ano yung mga nalabas sa screen. May mga viewers lang, may mga magte-take, okay lang na magkamali kasi hindi naman lalabas sa stories or sa My Day or di naman makikita ng ibang magsasagot kung nagkamali ka or hindi. Ang makakaalam lang nun is yung naglagay ng story. So, that's very, very fun na gawin. And sobrang simple lang niyang gawin, di ba? Kung makapapansin nyo, it's very simple. Now, if you want to be more creative than my template, again, it's your choice, it's your option. If you have a good template, if you want to put designs and so on, kayo ang kayo bahala. I'm going to set it as your story for at least for 24 hours kasi yun naman yung rules ng stories, and you can ask your students to check your stories and to answer those pre-tests. Ayan, so yung mga pre-test na yan, you can use that to assess kung ano yung mga background knowledge na alam nila about that certain topic that you're going to discuss on your next meeting. Ayan. So I hope that you learned a lot this day, and if you want to, if you have some concerns, questions, ayan, comment down below. Ayan, kung meron kayo, kung meron kayo suggestions about our next topic or our next tutorial, please feel free to message me. Kung may mga tanong kayo about edtech, mga tools, ayan, abangan nyo sa channel ko. And again, like I said, hit like, comment, and subscribe. Ayan. Okay, so that's my video for today, and I hope that you learned. And see you next video. Thank you so much, guys, and God bless. Stay safe. Picture, feature, feature, feature.